stop pinching me or you are going to be in so much trouble.
Pinching is like my superhero power.
It's a super villain. Stop it.
Right,
Okay.
Hi guys, welcome to
Mouthfull!
Today we are here to do something I have been, why are we linking arms?
I don't know, I quite like it, it's cute.
Today we are here to make something that I am so excited about because I have been desperate to try this. It has been going viral on TikTok. On top of that, pancake day around the corner.
Pancake day around the corner. We are making 2 types of pancakes, which is very, very exciting.
So we're gonna get stuck in. Let's go! We have a theme tune, but what about a song? Come on, Dawn, you're good at this. Mouthfull, the only place to get your food and drink recipes.
And join me sometime on Mouthfull.
Yep, that's it. Great, I'm so glad.
Totally turning that into a song.
Oh God.
Well, at least it'd be royalty free.
That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, there you go.
Great.
That's it. It's the theme tune.
My friend's a music producer, so I can give him that.
Can you
It's a
auto
sample.
tune?
Can you just turn this
Into a Mariah Carey, Luther Vandross.
The only place to get your food and drink recipes.
And join me sometime on Mouthfull.
Right, the Tom Hanks. Now, the actual name that he calls this cocktail is cocaine.
I quite like that.
Well, yeah, but you wouldn't expect that from Tom Hanks, but let me tell you, it's spelled C-O-K-E-A-G-N-E.
Oh, like Coca-Cola and champagne.
Du-du-du. Genius. Why do I keep doing that announcement today?
Well, you think, I don't know, maybe you're like the...
Is that it? Cuts.
Why is it always the last episode we just get frisky?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
You and Dawn need to settle down. It's called cocaine.
I love that so much, but not
What, you
spelled
love
the same.
cocaine? Well, it's not 1987, Dom. I am so dubious about this because I love Diet Coke and I love champagne.
What's not to love combined?
I am not sure, and I've been honestly putting off trying this, ready for this exact episode.
I'm imagining it's going to be very bubbly.
Yeah, but like, it's weird. Is it weird?
And are we thinking the cocaine, are we thinking the Diet Coke goes in first?
No, I think it's a
And does it
champagne.
have to be Diet Coke?
That's what he said.
Okay, well.
So I think I'm going to put the champagne in first, actually.
Okay.
Oh, greatest sounds in the world. Right, okay, so let's not do too big of glasses, just in case it's awful. I don't want to waste champagne. Also, right, on TikTok, all of these American celebrities trying it have these cans of champagne. I am not here for that.
No, champagne should not come out of a can.
No.
Not even champagne, it's some kind of Californian thing.
Yeah, just like, I mean, they do make quite good wines in California.
This is
But, okay, so I'm just gonna pour this in here, like this. I mean, guys, honestly, it's the simplest cocktail ever, but we had to try it.
Imagine if it tastes incredible and then we're like, this is the best cocktail ever and it's the simplest cocktail ever.
I'm not sure, but do you think we just do a dash?
Yeah.
I think about that much.
Yeah.
Okay, this is it. I mean, this is like the Tom Hanks. What's your favourite Tom Hanks film, by the way?
Big, it's got to be big.
Favourite Tom Hanks film?
Oh, there's too many.
Oh my
She's
God, you
Googling
can't
now.
Google
Google
it.
it because I don't know names. I
Chris?
just know it from.
Is there one where he's in space? Is he an astronaut?
What, Apollo 13?
Is that maybe?
Yeah, that might be.
Also, as a cameraman in the industry,
Really awkward.
bit awkward.
And the one where he's in an airport. I like those two things.
Terminal. The
Terminal, yeah, to be fair.
Okay.
I mean, I just love Forrest Gump, but I do love Big as well.
Are we going to go for
Oh, the
this?
Green
Yeah.
Mile.
I don't know.
Green Mile!
Oh no, the green with the mouse at the end and the... Oh
Oh God, well, we need Esme, because Esme's here. Esme!
Come and get a mouthful of Tom Hanks.
Come and get a mouthful of cocaine. I don't know what's worse.
Have you tried it yet?
Not yet, we're waiting for you.
Chris.
Come and get a mouthful.
in.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy your cocaine.
I don't know how I feel to make that. Do you know what? It kind of takes that like sort of bitterness from champagne away.
Which is quite nice in some way.
Yeah.
It's like a child has gone, I don't like champagne, and then the dad's gone, look, put a little bit of Coke in it, and then it'll taste nice. And it does taste nice, but thanks, Tom, for ruining champagne and Coca-Cola and cocaine.
Right, I think we half like it, we're unsure.
Unsure.
But I know what we are sure about, pancakes.
We love them.
And so let's get on with them, shall we? Let's flipping get on with them.
So we are making pancakes.
Why do we only really eat pancakes on Pancake Day?
Yeah, it's a bit of a weird one, isn't it? Where in America they eat pancakes for breakfast all the time.
Yeah,
and
that's true.
In France they eat crepe, and we don't eat them here. It's really weird. Do you know why we eat them for Pancake Day?
Why?
In the run up to Lent, you're supposed to use up all of the sort of good stuff in your home. So you kind of use all the fats and all the butter and all the milk and all the eggs. And then when it comes to Lent, you then kind of abstain from all those good things. And in the UK, we call it Shrove Tuesday or Pancake Day. And in the States, obviously, they call it Mardi Gras.
No.
Fat Tuesday.
So what type of pancakes are we making?
We are going to make crepe. We're going to make more like the kind of French style.
But we're not
pancakes.
just making them, are we?
No, we are going to make American style pancakes too.
Okay.
We are going to start with these they're just very classic pancakes.
These are my favourite.
Really?
Yeah, I much prefer. I don't really like the thick ones.
No, I agree with you. So obviously.
Why are we making them then?
I don't know.
Should we just cut them out?
Yeah, shall we?
Shall we? But neither of us like them. Why are we making them?
Also
Guys, we're going to cut them out. We're just going to make these ones. Who cares about them when all we want is proper pancakes?
The great thing about pancakes as well, like crepe, but like flat pancakes, is that you can eat them sweet or savoury, which is really lovely. And we're going to show two versions of that. So in a way, we're kind of giving you what you want.
True. Go on then, what are we doing?
It's gluten-free flour, obviously, and we're going to have 110 grams.
And you are measuring. I think I would actually even need to measure for this.
I think with like something like this, you really should.
Oh my God, should I try and do the cracky egg thing that you did with the one hand?
Go on then.
No, but I can't do it right in there because if I mess it up, give me that little bowl thing. Do you just squeeze it?
No! I'll do one and you can do the other.
Right,
Hey, look.
okay. Tap. You did just squeeze it.
Well, you've got to crack first.
What, should I do it straight in?
Yeah.
No, we're not taking that
go on,
risk.
Crack. And then separate. I mean...
Did I do it?
Kind of. You didn't separate it with your fingers. Thank you. Just give it. This will probably make about 7 or 8 pancakes.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, which is quite good, really.
Yeah.
So you want to start very slowly, start to combine the flour and the eggs. We can actually... So you start to combine it, and then as it kind of comes together, you want to start adding a little bit of milk. And we're going to use about 200 ml of milk, but just a little bit first. Well, you want it the sort of consistency of double cream.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Right, and then the last thing we're going to add to this is a little bit of melted butter.
Ooh.
Because we're going to use butter in the frying pan anyway, and it just kind of adds a little bit of kind of gorgeousness to the whole proceedings. So, you know, I mean, that's like...
Is it just like a little lump of butter?
Yeah, just a little knob of butter. And then it also means that your pan is already greased, ready for the first pancake.
Yeah.
Now, you know what they say about pancakes when you make pancakes? The first one always goes wrong. So just know that. And then the pan is kind of seasoned and ready for the next
I'm laughing
pancake.
because I'm like, Dom, did you know this earlier when he was making, we prepped some pancakes, so there's lots of people to feed. And he was going Dawn, wasn't he? He was swearing. He was like, these pans, it's not my kitchen. I don't have, these are not my pans. And then he was like, the second one's turned out really well.
It's always what I say to myself is the first one is always the bodge one.
Apart from this morning, you forgot.
Right, whatever. So we have got a little pan here with a teeny bit of butter in it. Mm-hmm. And we're just going to let it get up to
And
heat.
you didn't put any extra butter in there, that was like literally the excess from what you poured in.
Yeah, indeed. So we're just going to pour a little amount, because remember these are crepes, so we don't want them to go too thick. And you just want to roll them around, and you can sort of already see that they start to form at the bottom. And you want them a little bit lacy around the edge as well.
What's lacy mean?
Well, kind of just the edges are very pretty and bubbly and, you know, look like lace, basically.
There you go.
So what will happen is you'll start to see little bubbles appear on the surface. There's one just there. And when you've got a few more bubbles, then you know it's time to flip. But you can also check. You can just kind of lift it up and see if it's nice and sort of pale golden, I think is the colour that we want. I'm thinking I might just turn this one.
No
and then
way!
You can flip.
No,
just
you
to
have
show
to
the
do
kids
it.
at home.
No, you have to do it. Okay, we'll turn it and then flip it. Come on, you've got this.
Let me turn it. Oh,
No,
God.
come on.
Okay,
Come on. Here you go, Dom.
here we go.
Come on, guys. Woo!
Woo!
Do you do it?
Yeah.
I didn't even watch. You're gonna have to do it again. I was telling everyone to cheer you on. I couldn't even see it. You've got to do it again.
We'll do it again.
Right,
we'll
here we
do it
go.
again. But you can see it's nice and loose, right? So it's perfect for flipping. If it's sticking, you're not going to flip it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh,
That was
no,
good.
That was all right. I'm gonna go a little bit thinner this time and just roll it around like that. It's gonna be a super, super thin crepe. Okay, so it's nearly time for you to start flipping, but I really want you to be very careful of your mashed potato injury because you need a supple wrist for this.
Am I 2 hands on?
Well, I mean, I don't know. Do you want to practice on a pan without anything in it first?
Is it like, woo?
Yeah, it's kind of forward and like that.
Woo.
Almost like
I've done it before. Should I do it now?
Yeah, go on, do it.
Oh God, I've done it before, but not with much
Go really high.
success. You didn't go high. Hold on.
Come on.
Hey! Shall I try once more for luck? Chris, do you want to come have a go?
I'll give it a go.
Come on then.
Here we go.
Here he goes.
Here we go.
Oh my
That was the best
God.
one, yeah, you're just showing off.
Confidence.
Come on, Dawn.
Come on, Dawn.
We'll put a pancake over your head or a piece of lemon.
I was going to say move it up from under the oven, please.
I don't know what's going on.
Wow. Okay. Well, I think Chris won that one. Here they come. Pancakes.
How gorgeous are they? Now,
look good.
I'm going to make some savoury ones,
Yeah.
and then you're going to do the whole sweet thing, because I think that's the great thing about pancakes. Some people will want savoury ones, some people want sweet ones.
Theo loves a savoury
There you go.
pancake.
I'm going to take one gorgeous pancake.
Yeah.
And I have pre-made some lovely, just mushrooms and spinach.
Just sauteed them.
Yeah, just really simple, just sauteed them.
I love a
Oh,
mushroom.
I love a mushroom. Absolutely gorgeous. You could put garlic, you could do literally anything you want.
Yeah, that's
but
the thing.
Kind of kept it veggie. And then we've got this gorgeous
Goat's cheese.
goat's cheese, which I'm literally just tearing off lumps in my hands.
Wow.
And then we're just going to roll them up.
Are you putting any salt and pepper in? Because you had that out, you little pot.
Do you know, but I put so much salt and pepper in that, do you think I should just a little bit
I don't
more?
know if it was just there, so I
yeah,
thought,
you're
I
right.
didn't want you to miss out.
Why not? You're right. Why not? And then we're just going to roll them up.
Yeah.
Like so. And then these are going to go into an oven-proof dish. Probably get 2 in there, I reckon.
I reckon. So I personally love Nutella. I mean, did I get a knife out? Yes, please. I know some people don't like Nutella and they prefer with chocolate spreads, but I really like Nutella. I do not think you can really beat like a lemon and sugar either,
Yeah,
right?
it's a classic.
But here we go. when it's still a bit warm, spread on the Nutella, definitely more than you think you need.
Always.
Because you
with
want it like
Nutella.
going out.
Absolutely.
And a lot of people will just eat them flat as well, pancakes. Everyone's got their own technique, haven't they?
Some people fold into like a wedge shape.
Oh, like a triangle, yeah. Okay, so I'm doing it like this. Then I like to put some strawberries in. It's down the middle.
So excited.
Down the middle like this. Then squeeze some orange on. So a little bit of orange because then you've got like a chocolate orangey vibe. And then a bit of lemon too because why the hell not? And then I'm gonna do that something.
Yeah, like a little, a classic crepe. That's gorgeous.
Wedgie thing.
Oh.
I'm actually just gonna.
You're going for it now.
I can't. I know.
No,
we
you
need to
can.
wait.
You can.
No, I can't.
I'm gonna do a classic.
What are you gonna do?
Just lemon and sugar.
Okay, do it.
Right. Oh, sugar first.
Yeah. Whoa.
Sugar.
Whole bag.
Where's Tom Hanks?
What's your favourite type of pancake, Chris?
Banana and Nutella.
I'm going to make you a banana and Nutella one.
And I'm
Dawn?
just folding it like that.
Okay, fine. So whilst Dom is cooking his little savoury ones, we're going to make those up for Chris and Dawn, and then we'll come back and have a mouthful.
Is everyone just kind of bunging
Yeah, have a mouthful, guys. Get stuck in.
Let's do it.
I mean,
Am I the only one?
yeah. You're the only one. I mean, it's just so. Guys, have a wonderful pancake day. Do let us know your favourite creations as well in the comments. We really do want to know. And
See you next time.
see you next time. Bye, guys. Thank you.